Yeah. So finally, guys, always have to be a first in everything, right? Here I am in the airport. But I have a few people in here with us, so um, we all miss our flight connecting to Bradley. So we are stuck here in the airport. Well, as a matter of fact, they gave me a voucher, a food voucher, I think, and I could go stay in the hotel. But that was another thing. So I opted to stay right here in the. I opted to stay right here in the airport. Not many, but a few other people are here. So I'm not by myself. We still have JetBlue people working. So we're not by ourselves in here. Security is still around. People cleaning are here. So we're just hanging out in here for the night. But boy, I tell you, it was hectic, guys. It was hectic. I mean, we got up and we were supposed to leave up by say 12. Rain came down at 11. Like you see the video with all that rain, buckets of water coming down. We finally decided to leave at 12:40 because the flight had delayed 2 times already. We're supposed to leave 2:45, then it went to 3 something, then it went to 4 something. Oh my God, let me tell you something, guys. It wasn't easy. The drive coming down to Montego Bay was interesting. The roads were filled with water. Filled. The water was just coming down. So we stayed there at the gate. A lot of rain, a lot of lightning, a lot of thundering. But I checked in, went through security, got to my gate for the first time. So got to the gate. When as a matter of fact, the laugh out loud moment was when we were leaving the Airbnb. The young lady said, our host said, Miss Bev, just get in the vehicle. I got you. I'll bring the bag. So I said, okay. So I hustled out with one umbrella. She was locking up and to come out after me. Of course, she came out after me without my bag. So we got in the car and nobody noticed that my luggage was left in the house. So we drove. I'm just tired and haggard. It's what it is, guys. It's one of those nights. So just gonna hang out here. Don't even have my toothbrush. But it's all good. So we got there. We drove through the rain, drove through all the water. Go see that video, guys. See all the rain, buckets of water coming. Then we got to the airport and I'm getting out. And all of a sudden she stopped in her tracks. She said, Miss Beth, I forgot your bag. And I just said to her, you know what, it's all good. Because the good thing is I had everything I had a handbag and everything I needed was in the handbag. So I just told her, don't stress about it, let it be. She said, I'll go up and get it and bring it back. I said, no, you won't. I said, no, you won't. Just let it be. So I came with just my handbag. And we're here. We're here, people just chilling. One nice lady just lent me her charger. So I'm getting some juice in my phone. So tomorrow I'm not even gonna wait for these people because you know what, it's what it is. But I tell you this, I will not travel with JetBlue again. I don't think I wanna travel with them. Because when we came in, the new people were supposed, well,
This is a security advisory. For your safety, please do not leave baggage unattended. Unattended baggage will be removed and may be
So
discarded. All persons
we
must maintain control of their personal property,
it was just a
including
hot
carry-on
mess,
baggage and
but I
checked
like
baggage,
this
to avoid
hidden
transporting items without your
disabilities
knowledge.
sunflower program,
Carrying
and it
firearms through
says
a TSA screening
not
checkpoint
every
on the
disability
airport
is
is
visible.
prohibited by federal
Well, let us
law
remember
and
that, guys.
regulations.
So often we
Check
look at
all
people
carry-on baggage for
and we don't
firearms before
understand what's
entering the
going on, and
TSA screening
say all
checkpoint.
manner of evil.
Do not leave
We
vehicles
make all kind
unattended
of
on the
snide
curb.
comments. So let
Unattended
us remember
vehicles
that
will be
not all
promptly
disability
ticketed and towed
is
at the
visible.
owner's
We have mental
expense.
disabilities, which you're not going to be able
Your
to see
safety is
unless,
our business.
something
Please help
happens.
us
So
help
let us
you.
not
If
be
you
quick
see
to push
something,
down
say
others.
something.
But let us
Report
just lift
suspicious
up
activity
everyone,
to the
whether we
nearest
know of
law
a
enforcement
disability or
officer,
not.
TSA
We don't need
officer,
to know
or
that somebody is
airline
disabled to treat
representative.
them well. Let us just treat people well. So yes, this
Broward
is my
County's Fort
night
Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport is
in
doing
this
its part to
airport.
combat human
Very first
trafficking.
time, my
It's
people.
estimated that
But
over
you know what?
25 million
Life
people worldwide are
happens,
victims of
and
human
there's
trafficking.
always a first time.
Sadly, it's happening in
So
our
enjoy.
community here
Thank you
in
for
South
watching.
Florida.
Thank you
We
for
urge
liking.
everyone
Thank you
to
for
report
leaving your
suspicious
comments.
behavior by
Welcome,
calling
welcome to all my new
911 so
subscribers. I
that law
truly
enforcement
appreciate all of your
officials can
support.
thoroughly
Those of you
investigate.
who are coming
We
on
thank you
board
for
and
your attention to this
leaving
important issue.
all sorts of beautiful comments, I thank you and I appreciate you. And for all my watchers who watch but are silent, thank you as well. Your view makes it possible to help me grow this channel. So thanks for everybody for all that you contribute, whatever you contribute, however you contribute. Thank you so much. This is your girl, Miss Bev, signing out now. I'm going to sit down, put my feet up, and wait for time to board another flight. Make it a great evening by choice. With love.